1, 2, 3.
Guys, now we're gonna take the Skylift. Look, we're gonna go from here to up there, and then we go to that little zipline and go wee, and then we go back to wee, and then we go wee down, and then we go to the next place. I don't know where, but I think we're gonna go home. Guys, we forgot that we needed to buy the first buy a ticket. So now we're going down back down so to buy one ticket. To get a ticket, we need to go down this bridge. Okay? Guys, now we're buying tickets for the Skylift. Hi, now we have the ticket. So now we go back up and then to the stand. But the Skylift is gonna come 3, so we're gonna be here a bit and wait. Guys, now we're going back to the Skylift, okay? So off we go. Now we're gonna put the ticket in.
Go.
Come on, guys. You guys remember here? Here we were a kayak. You remember? Here we were a kayaking. And now we went to home and then we eat it and then we came here to do the Skylift. Look, we have arrived at the Zipline. Now we're school. From that orange balloon until that balloon. Going to the orange balloon. Then we're gonna zip line. Whoa, it's very long. It's gonna be a long ride.
Da får dere være velkommen som zipline-piloter her på Loen Flying Fox.
He's like meaning that we're the pilots in here in Loen. So we're gonna do the Loen Zipline Fox here.
Yeah.
That's what he means.
Velkommen zipline pilots here in Loen Flying Fox.
Litt høyt for meg.
Hæ?
Å holde det greia,
Ja,
det
men
blir litt
det skal vi ordne.
Men det er litt sterkt, så...
Da kan du komme med meg.
Åh.
Ja, kan bare stige opp på der, du. Ja, bare holde deg inne. Da tar jeg denne,
Ok.
og så låser jeg den der. Bare vent litt, du. Så skal jeg stramme opp her. Du trenger ikke å holde enda.
Nei, jeg kommer til å holde. Jeg kommer til å fly. Jeg
Sånn.
flyr.
Ja, du flyr ikke riktig ennå.
Jeg skal fly der, jeg skal fly nå.
Ja.
Jeg skal fly nå veldig
Du kan
snart.
vente litt, så vil jeg sjekke selen din.
Ok, dette er veldig vanskelig.
1, 2, 3. can lean back and sit and enjoy the ride. Bye bye.
Oh, I'm back. I'm going back.
Jeg må holde her.
Ok, er du klar?
Ja.
1, 2.
Bra at jeg la opp. Den delen skremte meg litt. Den delen at jeg gikk så fort, og jeg holdt på å krasje.
Det skal løsne
Jeg prøver å holde meg i hjulet, så jeg... Tusen takk. Tusen takk for hjelpen.
So brave. So brave.
Det var så gøy.
Sånn. Ja. Yeah, you did. You were really fast.
Stå der! Guys, we're gonna go in the shop to buy some water.
And
And I don't know.
we're gonna watch the view.
Look! Whoa! No. Look, I can see our house. I can see our apartment. Yeah. Because I've been so brave today, I deserve an ice cream. Guys, I really recommend you guys to come here and take the zip lines. Bye bye guys. See you at my next video.